Today we are making Flan Napolitano al vapor, a silky Mexican steamed custard. This recipe makes 8 servings, and the total time is about 6 hours including chilling. All on the stovetop with that classic caramel shine. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 1 cup granulated sugar, for the caramel. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 14 ounces. 1 can of evaporated milk, 12 ounces. 4 large eggs. 4 ounces cream cheese, softened. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Set a large pot with a steamer rack and add about 2 inches of water. Cover and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat while you make the caramel. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, melt 1 cup of granulated sugar without stirring until it turns deep amber, about 6 to 8 minutes. Swirl the pan occasionally to even the color. Immediately pour the caramel into a 7-inch flan mold. Tilt to coat the bottom and about 1 inch up the sides. Let it set for 5 minutes. In a blender, add 4 large eggs, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Blend until completely smooth, about 30 seconds. Skim any foam from the top, then strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve into a pitcher to remove bubbles. Pour the custard into the caramel-lined mold, filling it gently so you do not create bubbles. Cover the mold tightly with foil to keep condensation out. Place the mold on the steamer rack. Make sure the water stays below the foil and reaches about halfway up the sides. Add hot water if needed. Cover the pot and steam over medium heat for 50 minutes without opening the lid. Lift the lid and check. The center should jiggle slightly but not slosh. If it is still very loose, steam 5 to 10 minutes more. Carefully lift the mold out and place it on a rack. Remove the foil and cool at room temperature for 1 hour. Cover the mold again and refrigerate until fully chilled and set, at least 4 hours. Run a thin knife around the edge to loosen the flan from the sides. Invert onto a rimmed serving plate and lift off the mold, letting the caramel sauce flow over the top. Slice with a warm knife, wiping the blade between cuts for clean edges. Serve the flan well chilled with plenty of caramel on each slice. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. That is our steamed Flan Napolitano, silky and perfect. If you liked this video, tap like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a recipe.